Hello guys, you are watching the basket made with the foamic glitter sheet. Now you are watching the uh, flowers, the mirror, mirror uh, flowers make with the foamic sheet. The flowers you are watching on the screen, different colorful flowers uh, made with the glitter foamic sheet. Uh, Now you are watching the crown uh, head wear. The mm, Now you are watching another crown head wear. The badge and the head ring made with the foamy glitter sheet. The pencil toppers. You are watching the beautiful colorful cartoon characters. Now you watching the cone ice cream shape. uh, Now you watching the hat keychain made with glitter sheet. Now you are watching cute sleepers keychain shoes. Now you are watching different colors in and keychain. Now you are watching spoon on craft which doll shape, and the dolls are made with the papers, different colorful papers. The dolls you are watching different colors made with the straws. This doll you are watching the made with the newspapers. Now you are watching a colorful craft wall hanging, door hanging. The craft you are watching made with the beads and glitter sheet. And now you are watching the doll made with the glitter sheet, beautiful colorful doll. The craft, heart shape craft you are watching glitter sheet. The basket you are watching the purple color made with glitter sheet. The another keychain you are watching made with glitter sheet. A cup of tea, different colors, and a bow you are watching glitter sheet made. Another keychain you are watching made with the green color made with the glitter sheet, and hat on flowers you are watching different colors butterflies made with the glitter sheet with beads, and you are watching lily flower and artificial. You are watching the mini small hearts different colors beautiful